Welcome to EVS class. Lesson Continents and Oceans. We all live on the surface of the earth. This earth's surface is covered with land as well as water. The land makes up about 1/4 of the earth's total surface and water makes up about 3/4 of total earth's surface. In this picture, the blue area shows the water and the green area shows land surface. Water makes up about 70% of the total earth surface and land 30%. The earth is spherical in shape. But in ancient times, people believed that the earth was flat. But is the earth really flat? About 500 years ago, a Portuguese sailor, Ferdinand Magellan, set out with a fleet of ships from Spain. Fleet means group of ships sailing together. Look at the picture of the sailor Ferdinand Magellan. The fleet continued to sail in one direction for 3 years and ended up exactly where it had started. This proved that the earth was round, not flat as previously believed. Further proof was provided that the earth is round when astronauts, people trained to travel into space, reported that the earth looked like a huge ball from space. Now look at the horizon. Horizon is the circular line at which the sky and the earth appear to meet. If we stand on a flat plane, the horizon appears to be at the same distance in every direction. Let us switch to the next topic, continents. Dear children, there are 7 continents in the world. What are continents? Very large land masses are known as continents. And oceans, very large water bodies are known as oceans. There are 7 continents in the world. These are Africa, Australia, South America, Asia, Europe, Antarctica, and North America. These continents are further divided into small divisions known as countries. India is a part of the continent of Asia. Australia is the smallest continent in the world, and Asia is the largest continent. Thank you.